I am not doing great. It is officially moving day. I cannot believe I am saying that out loud. I feel like I've been waiting for this so anxiously for so long now that it almost felt like it was getting further and further away the longer that I waited. So I can't believe today is the freaking day. I don't know what to do with myself, even though I clearly have some things, you know, that I need to do with myself behind me to clean up this apartment, but my movers are gonna be here shortly. And then I will be on the road on the way to Chicago. It's like a 6-hour drive. So you already know I'm gonna be listening to a lot of my favorite murder. I purposely haven't listened for like the last month. So I have plenty of episodes ready to go for me, but it's obviously bittersweet. I said bye to family and friends yesterday, and it's such a emotional but exciting moment. And yeah, I can't believe I'm leaving this apartment behind. I feel like I didn't realize how much I needed to get out of this space. I think I just was trying to have a good mindset about it while I was here. But once I signed the lease for my new apartment in Chicago and started packing, I felt like I was able to actually acknowledge the fact that this has not been an ideal living situation for me, just mentally and emotionally. And I really feel so relieved to be leaving this space behind and starting over somewhere that's just mine from the start. I don't know, it feels kind of crazy. So I can't believe I'm leaving, but now that I am, I want to show you guys where I live and the little view that I have. Part of it's really cute, part of it's really funny, and I did an apartment tour a couple of months ago. I will list that below if you're curious to see just the setup of what this space was. But I told you guys I didn't want to have the blinds open because I'm like, anybody that is familiar with Minneapolis is going to know exactly where I live once I show you, because you'll see. Let me show you. Yeah, so if you're familiar with Minneapolis or you're from here, you will know that Deja Vu is a strip club. So my balcony is literally in the parking lot of a strip club, but it's just funny because it's in this really nice area on the North Loop, and directly across the street is the Hewing Hotel. It's this beautiful hotel. So the area is amazing, but as you can imagine, the strip club got very rowdy and loud, and just the through traffic here and everything. Noise was definitely a huge issue, but this was the only 2-bedroom available at the time when I was looking to get a new one and move from the 1-bed. So this was the only option. Have definitely been roughing it. I'm excited to not be in this situation anymore. All right, I need to finish packing up, cleaning a little bit, and then we'll be on the road. But before we jump into all of that, we are going to take a quick break to announce the sponsor of today's video. So I am really excited about this one. You'll see why in a second, but you guys know I'm really picky about the brands that I do choose to work with in a sponsored fashion on this channel, and this is one that I feel very passionately about. So Hair.com by L'Oreal is partnering with me on this portion of the video. If you are not familiar with Hair.com, it's a website where you can purchase L'Oreal's incredible hair care brands, and you guys know that I am such a huge fan of so many of these brands already. They carry brands like Pureology, Redken, Kerastase, and a lot more. So because we're not entering anymore, we're here. We're in cold, dry weather season, my least favorite season, but because of that, I thought that we could talk about some products that are great for this time of year when our hair might be feeling especially dry and damaged. So all 4 of these products can be used together in a hair care routine on wash day, and I'll quickly talk through that, but let's start off with number 1, which is the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner. You guys already know that Pureology is one of my all-time favorite shampoo and conditioner brands, no questions asked, and this Hydrate line is definitely your best bet for dry scalps and dry hair because the formulas are very rich and nourishing, and they also have some really nice strengthening and conditioning ingredients in them, including things like jojoba oil, sunflower oil, quaternary ammonium compounds, amodimethicone, and they have some ingredients to help to promote soothing and calming on the scalp, like aloe aloe and green tea. The shampoo specifically is sulfate free, so it's going to be very nice and gentle on the scalp, but still giving you an effective cleanse. It's something that is very, very dense and it lathers really well. I really enjoy using this, and this is going to be your best friend if you have a flaky scalp because it's not going to strip your scalp whatsoever. And even if you don't have a dry scalp, but you feel like the ends of your hair are just looking extra dry and brittle, you will love this conditioner. It is so thick and creamy, and whenever I use this, I feel like my hair is so much more easy to detangle and it just looks really, really nice. Next is the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Hair Mask, and this is something that I hadn't tried before the brand contacted me, but I really, really love it. It has a really nice thick and creamy formula as well, but it's not waxy or heavy, so if you do have fine, thin hair, this is not something that's going to weigh down your hair. It's just a really nice option for a variety of hair types. This also has quaternary ammonium compounds and amodimethicone in it. Both of those ingredients are really nice ingredients to look out for if you have damaged hair because they actually help to strengthen the hair. Plus, on top of that, there's a couple more strengthening ingredients, including wheat protein and golden quinoa. Really nice forms of protein that again will provide some additional strengthening benefits. And last is perfect for post-wash conditioning and detangling. It is Redken One United, which is an all-in-one multi-benefit treatment spray. And this was so nostalgic for me because I actually used to use this and love it for years. I had just kind of forgotten about it. You guys know how it goes on YouTube. I'm always testing new product to review for you guys. So it's easy for things to get lost, but I was so excited to rediscover this because it is amazing. So tons of different benefits that you can see in using this spray, but some of them include conditioning, detangling, adding shine, taming frizz, adding heat protection, and preventing breakage, plus much, much more. So again, you can shop all 4 of these products on hair.com. I will have the website listed in my description box along with links to all of these products. And if you do sign up for their email list to receive their newsletter, you can actually get 15% off your first order, plus some samples, which is always fun. So thank you so much to hair.com by L'Oreal for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. That was my last box. I just ran out of tape. Woo! Good. I have so many boxes. My movers are not gonna like me one bit. This is so crazy. I am definitely gonna miss all of this beautiful natural light, but yeah, not that view. That view is cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. And that is officially a wrap on Minnesota. What was that arm? I don't know what that was. Let's go. I had to pick up Crisp and Green one last time. If you're from Minnesota, you will know how amazing it is. If you're from here and you don't know about this, now you do, you need it. Best salads ever. Oh my gosh, overpriced of course, but so, so good, totally worth it. So how do I think I'm gonna eat this on the road? We'll figure it out later. I have to drive 6 hours now. I'm obviously not gonna vlog and drive, so next time I check in, we'll be in Chicago. We made it. We are officially in Chicago in my new apartment, and I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek while it was still empty before my movers came, but I did a walkthrough myself. Let's just say she was not properly clean, so there's a lot of dust and grime and stuff like that, you know, which is what I get for moving from another state and not actually checking out the apartment in person, I guess. It'll be great. I just need to deep clean everything before the movers actually get here, so I feel okay with all of my stuff being moved into this. So once that is done and clean, construction. They said that's gonna be done this week. Sorry if you're hearing construction noises throughout, but I'll try to film when that's not happening. So once this is clean and my stuff is probably moved in, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, but we made it. I am not doing great right now. Also, this lighting is just not ideal right now. Apologies. There is no overhead lighting out here, which I didn't realize. That actually was the case in my last apartment too. I don't really know what the deal is with that, but I'm gonna need to get some lamps in here. So I have one single lamp behind us to light up this space. So my back hurts, my feet are numb. Oh my gosh, I am exhausted right now. I obviously still have a million boxes behind me, so much left to unpack, but I'm not even exaggerating. I was cleaning for hours, and that's not even being dramatic. Like, oh, it was kind of dusty, like dirt. So dirty. I cannot believe that. I've never moved into an apartment like that. Clearly, I talked to the landlord and he said that he hired cleaners, but something must have happened where, like, I don't know, they didn't show up or something, because I've never seen anything like that in my life. So anyway, I don't want to complain, but I just obviously wasn't planning to be cleaning for hours all day, and that cut into my unpacking time. So I'm going to be unpacking all day tomorrow still, but I love the view of my place. There's a great amount of space, so there still is a lot of good here. It just was, yikes, not a morning I was planning. I literally haven't even had time to eat, so I've just been having like protein bars and random stuff like that all day. I did have to run to the Xfinity store for Wi-Fi, and I found a grocery store on the way back, so I'm having PB&J basically for dinner. Oh my gosh, moving is so fun. I know that I'm gonna feel much better when everything is fully unpacked and set up and it really feels like my space, but I feel like I'm having a mini freak out moment right now. Like, what did I just do? Like, I'm here in Chicago by myself. I don't know, I feel like it kind of just hit me, which I knew was gonna happen. I was telling my friends that. I was like, it doesn't feel real. I don't think it's gonna hit me until I'm there. And it definitely has a little bit. It's for sure a really scary feeling, but I know it'll pass. So yeah, that was my check-in. I definitely want to show you guys, you know, the cuteness of Chicago around me a little bit in this video, but moving's been a blast so far. So I'm gonna eat my really sad dinner, and then I just think I need to go to bed early. I am so exhausted. Tomorrow's a new day for a new chapter. Okay. I am not okay. But come look at the sunrise. Hi, how is everyone? I am in good spirits now, but I was this close to having a mental breakdown over the past week. There's just been a lot going on behind the scenes. Obviously, unpacking just takes a lot of time, but as I was unpacking, I started finding things that needed to be fixed, basically. So almost every single appliance in the apartment was broken. The microwave door was completely ripped off the hinges, and I did actually try to use it. It doesn't work like that, believe it or not. The dishwasher wouldn't latch all the way shut, so I couldn't even use it. So there is a new dishwasher sitting right here that's gonna get installed tomorrow so that they can take the broken one out. The fridge has broken shelves in it so that I can't even really open the bottom shelves anymore, like just completely split. There's missing pieces in the fridge. When I was hanging up my clothes in my closet, the whole shelf just fell off the hinges and hinges fell out of the wall. And that's not even all of it. There were also things left behind in basically every single room, cabinet drawer, everything that I opened. I felt like there were goodies for me to discover, and then I obviously had to figure out what to do with all of that. So the week was a lot more stressful and a lot more work than I was planning for. So it's just been a lot, which is why I haven't been able to vlog in the way that I was hoping. But today is the first day where I'm finally feeling settled and good and caught up on some work. So I reserved today to explore the city a little bit. So I thought I could just bring you guys along with me. I think I'm gonna walk down the lakeshore path. I think the Minnesota girl in me wants to go to the lake first, and then I might go down to like Michigan Ave. I don't know, we'll see. I'll bring you guys with me. I'm so excited to finally get out of this apartment. I feel like I'm going stir crazy. enough's enough. It is really cold out and it's pretty cloudy, so unfortunately we're not gonna get any sun for this footage. I was really hoping for that, but I need fresh air. It'll be great. Let's go. Hair's in a jaw clip, sweats are on, I am ready to veg. I'm not normally a step counter, but I was just walking for hours, so I went into my health app and I walked like 20,000 steps. So my back and hips hurt. I feel like I'm elderly. I thought we could just wrap up the vlog here sitting in front of my Christmas tree. I loved all of the decorations for the holidays downtown. It was just super cute and festive. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. I definitely want to get just more footage like that when it's sunny out. So if you guys want to see another kind of city vlog, maybe we could do some shopping, something like that on a nice sunny day, let me know. I could definitely do that. But for now, I'm going to wrap up this moving vlog here. I feel like it was really disjointed and all over the place, but that's just what this past week was, honestly. So hopefully that's okay with you guys and you still really enjoyed it. And if you would like to see an apartment tour here, let me know. I'm definitely down. You guys obviously got some sneak peeks, but we are not ready for a full apartment tour quite yet. I definitely have some things that I need to do. The dishwasher still needs to go in, like not quite there. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I'm definitely down, but I just wanted to close out by saying thank you so much for all of the sweet, kind, amazing comments that you guys left me on my life update video that I posted a couple of weeks ago. I honestly almost deleted the video a few minutes before it went live because I just felt so overwhelmed by the idea of posting something so personal like that. I had no idea what the response was gonna be, and it just was really out of my comfort zone. I honestly went through and read every single one of your comments. I tried to respond to as many as I could, but I obviously just don't have time to do that. But I read everything, and I'm not kidding, I started just crying tears of happiness because I feel so grateful to have all of you guys, and you all just made me feel so much less alone. So many of you are currently in similar situations or have been through similar situations. I mean, we've all gone through breakups, but especially just like living with someone and the loss of a puppy, and it was nice to not feel so alone in that, because this is just gonna be kind of a, I don't know what the word is. I don't want to say lonely season of my life, but the first season of my life when I'm pretty much by myself all the time, living alone and just doing my own thing, especially being self-employed. So I'm just really grateful to have you guys. Thank you again so much for all of your comments. I think that's everything. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click on that notification bell, and send my channel to a friend. Let me know in the comments below what sorts of videos you would like to see from me next. Anything goes here on my channel. As always, I just want to make sure I'm uploading content that you guys enjoy. But either way, my next video will be up in a few days, so stay tuned for that. And until then, I hope you have a great few days.